How to remove grid line on MetaTrader 5. Are you guys facing issue to remove your grid line on MetaTrader 5 app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaTrader 5 on your device. Once you open the app, to remove your grid line, just simply tap on Settings. Now click on Charts. Scroll down, you can see the option for colors. Click on it. You are looking to change the color of grid, right? Tap on it. In order to remove your grid line, match the color to your background. If your background color have white color, then simply choose it to the white. Once you choose the color to the white, now go back to your chart. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna remove grid line on MetaTrader 5 app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.